Look who we have there. It's a dragon.
Take some pictures so you won't be looking at you. Did you take some
I'm
pictures?
taking some video right now.
I need pictures.
I got pictures too.
Ryan?
Okay, up this way so you can say trick or treat to Jan. Come on.
I think Ryan thinks the deal is that you have to sing and then you get the candy.
That's it. Ring your doorbell for him.
Pumpkin patch.
Ring your doorbell. No, hey. That's not right.
Hello.
Say
How
trick or
are
treat.
you?
Got a trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Бери одну. Спасибо.
There you go. Want one for mommy and daddy?
Yeah, we're good. Thank
Grandma.
We wanted to get a hold of you.
Oh, yeah?
Our little Russian guy got a job.
you.
Oh, good.
English.
Grandma?
English. Russian. Yeah.
Woof, woof, woof.
Come on, guys. Don't chicken out. Go get the candy.
Ryan, подходи. Thank you. Thank you. Happy Halloween. Okay.